What's up, guys? Thank you for tuning in. Today I'll be doing my first ever how-to. We are swapping out the old CV axle for the new Duralast Gold. Cream of the crop right here, boys. No, not really. But this one ran me about $102. I got it. It was like 3 days shipping from AutoZone. It didn't come with any hardware besides I'm trying to take it off. Besides the new castle nut. I don't know if the old one will fit on this yet. I guess we'll find out. But, yeah. We'll see how this one lasts. I didn't go too cheap and I didn't go too expensive. Drift car, I didn't want to spend too much money, but I wanted it to last. The old one is obviously OEM. Wasn't replaced before, so it was bound to go out. We'll see how long this one lasts. Tune in.
All right, so me and Reggie here, follow him on Instagram, gbs.reggie, are fixing to rip off the old axle. So it is currently covered. It was 32 there. And then it is the 6 bolts. I don't know if you can see that. Right over there, attached to the axle. Here we go. All right, guys, so we got the axle out and the new one swapped in. This is my old axle. It was quite a bit beat up. It was clanking pretty bad. Looks gross as hell. Yeah. Now the new one slid right in perfectly fine. All good. And what I'm going to do, I'm waiting till tonight because I don't have another vehicle. So I'm going to pull each one of these individually out and get some Loctite on them so they don't back out. I've had that happen before. Not fun. But yeah, she's in.